Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is fine and well. In this video, I'll show you how you can hide multiple blank rows simultaneously. Usually, when we have a lot of blank rows in our data, what people usually do is that they right click each blank row and delete it. Or they right click each and every row and select hide to hide it, and they do it for each and every row. If you have thousands of rows in your data and you have hundreds of blank rows in them, and if you use this approach of right clicking and then selecting delete to delete each and every row, or selecting hide to hide each and every row, it will take a lot of time. Instead, I'll show you an easier and efficient way of doing so. How we can do that? First, select your data. I'll select these 4 columns, then press the F5 key and you will see this small window open. From here, click on Special and select Blanks, then click on OK. Now what this has essentially done is that it has selected all of the blank rows in your data that you selected. Now press Ctrl 9, the Ctrl key on your keyboard plus the 9 key on your keyboard, and all of your blank rows will be hidden. See? No blank rows. So you see, this is a more efficient and quicker way of hiding blank rows in your dataset. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until the next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.